Hello from Luna Labs. We'd like to introduce you to one of our new projects, the Smart Automatic Inflation System, which we call by the acronym SAINTS. SAINTS is specifically designed to sense egress status to allow automatic inflation technology to be used for the first time on rotary and non-ejection seat platforms. Caleb Adams is our team lead for this project. Headquartered in Virginia, Luna Labs is a product development company working with industry and key government agencies to solve critical problems. With small business agility and large business capabilities, the company accelerates transformative solutions from concept to product launch for defense and healthcare markets. Life Preserver Units, or LPUs, are critical life-saving equipment for all military personnel working near or above open water. Current LPUs typically require manual inflation by a capable and conscious crewman. Automatic inflation does exist for other applications, but for the rotary and non-ejection seat aviator, automatic inflation poses significant additional risk. This is because inflation of an LPU while a crewman is still in the aircraft would make it extremely difficult to egress. Current automatic LPUs do not consider egress status or crewman position, and are therefore not sufficient for rotary and non-ejection seat environments. Luna Labs is producing an automatically inflating LPU suitable for rotary environments. This life-saving equipment would provide additional safety to aircrew while limiting additional risk by sensing egress status prior to inflation. We are working primarily with PMA 202 and PMA 275, with a focus on the V-22 platform as a first adopter. By providing the warfighter with this capability, Luna Labs expects the Navy to be able to increase mishap survivability without adding significant burden to either the aircraft or the aircrew. To quote the SBIR solicitation, "Critical escape and survival equipment should work on time, every time, with minimal or no user input." Luna Labs is striving to deliver an improved system that will both expand current life-saving capabilities as well as seamlessly integrate with existing Navy equipment, workflows, and trainings. Luna Labs is accomplishing these goals by designing and producing a next-generation automatic inflator with intelligent sensing capabilities. This inflator will be compatible with existing Hall-Key-Roberts manifolds, which will allow for simple integration and retrofitting of existing LPUs. This system will be smaller, lighter, and more affordable than existing automatic inflation devices used in ejection seat aircraft. Additionally, this device maintains all manual inflation methods and will not interfere with normal, non-automatic inflation. The SAINTS device will be able to be rearmed after a successful inflation to allow for the reuse of the system with very few consumable components. These consumables will all be consumer off-the-shelf parts, which will reduce procurement and maintenance burden for the Navy. Additionally, the manual pull force required, which has at times proved difficult to activate in chaotic survival environments, can be reduced with this system. This improvement allows for an easy and omnidirectional pull to allow for disoriented or injured crewmen to actuate. Luna Labs can set this force as low as 5 pounds or as high as 20, depending on application and deployment needs. SAINTS intelligent egress sensing takes advantage of ultrasonic technology to establish communication between the aircraft and the automatic inflator. This signal is established after both the aircraft and the inflator sense total immersion in water. After successful egress, the signal strength decreases as the aircrew moves away from the aircraft and beyond the egress envelope. The distance of this envelope can be tuned to ensure aircrew have fully egressed and reduce the possibility that crew could have encountered a snag hazard or are still tethered to the aircraft. Multiple receivers and transmitters are used to increase system redundancy and prevent unintended inflations. The LPU-mounted inflator is similar in size to existing automatic inflation options, and the aircraft-mounted portion of the system is battery-powered and able to be attached with no drilling or alteration of the aircraft. It does not need to integrate or use power from any existing aircraft systems. This project started in 2022 as a Phase 1 SBIR. Since then, the team has proven feasibility of the ultrasonic sensing technology in both a laboratory setting as well as in a real underwater environment. In a 70-foot steel tank, we submerged our system underwater to test in various depth conditions, showing that even under the worst possible conditions, Saints will still operate as intended. At the end of this SBIR Phase 2 effort, the team will have a functional ultrasonic sensing solution, as well as a new and improved automatic LPU inflator platform. This automatic inflator can be used with or without the egress sensing component, which would be valuable for non-rotary applications where additional level of decision-making is not necessary. Luna Labs' Smart Automatic LPU Inflator will provide immediate and significant value to Navy customers. With low added burden for maintainers, users, and procurement, the Luna Labs automatic inflator is able to increase life-saving capabilities in the most critical situations. Not only does this system increase capability with very little added risk, it does so in an easy-to-integrate package that can be retrofit into existing LPUs. This system will additionally enhance already existing manual inflation methods and lead to a better, lighter, and more compact LPU inflator for many applications. A major hurdle that exists for the eventual acceptance, adoption, and field use of this system is qualification testing and validation. Luna Labs will demonstrate system efficacy in relevant environments during development efforts, but the true qualification testing and integration by the Navy will need to occur prior to system adoption. Luna Labs is currently partnered with an existing military soft goods manufacturer for pilot-scale manufacturing and LPU integration services. As we work towards this pilot-scale system, we need transition advocates that can both serve as end users and provide valuable feedback to guide our final design choices, as well as partners to help with qualification testing and approval of the final system. In addition to Navy rotary and non-ejection seat aircraft, this system offers significant value to other markets. Specifically, the system without the intelligent egress detection will serve as a next-generation automatic inflator for all platforms and situations in which egress is not required prior to LPU inflation. As we approach the end of the Phase 2 effort, Luna Labs is developing market reports, performing customer outreach, and determining additional markets to pursue commercialization of this system in several avenues. In addition to DoD markets, there are also considerable civilian market segments that employ automatic LPUs, from recreational water sports to commercial offshore oil and gas platforms. As we approach the end of this development, we need support from transition partners and a program of record to define qualification testing and integration and support expanded deployment across different military organizations. We encourage you to reach out to Luna Labs if you have any questions about this system or feel that your program could benefit from this expanded life-saving capability, or want to know which events, conferences, or meetings we'll be attending, to talk to us in person. We look forward to talking with you.